All right, you guys. Let's do a quick update here. Make sure that we are on the right track. Um, First thing we do when we come in is. That's right. You're going to right click on Cool Patrol, do a get sync. We're going to do a fetch. I know this is like crazy.
Take a little bit again.
Oh, yeah.
So, might as well start talking about something else.
What did we, what all is got pushed here?
Since class, like nothing, basically.
I pushed the corpse in there.
Why did it take a while? Because for me it did. It took forever.
Do a fetch, do a pull. Didn't seem like it's taking all that
I
long.
was gonna say mine didn't take that long.
It took a while for me.
It took a while for me too.
All right, if I click over here on the change list, let's take a look at what got in. Looks like somebody put the character in, Jill.
Yeah, that's the corpse.
Okay, it says Jill. That's interesting.
That was the name of the thing.
Oh,
So.
okay. Looks like, I guess, a hand light, flashlight went in.
Yeah, there should be a flashlight.
Jetpack.
Yep.
Levels unfinished. Doc level. Christian's level. And that's, looks like programmers edited the first person character blueprint, which is cool. Looks like some stuff got done. That's good.
I don't know why it's red. Mine's fine.
I'm going to go ahead and launch the project in the background while we go ahead and start. But, guys, please don't talk while I'm doing project update. Thank you. Project lead. Let's get some updates from you. Anything you want to talk about?
I talked to Art and I was wondering if the jetpack is done, and I found out that it is done. It's pushed already, so programmers can start using that for their model.
So what's the jetpack for?
We thought it would be fun to have a jetpack.
Higher levels.
You are a first-person character.
Yeah.
So how do you see the jetpack?
We need a model for the pickup.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what it's for.
Do we have jetpack flying around functionality?
Yes.
Marcus was working on that.
But it
He's
broke
not here,
for some
so I don't
reason,
know.
so we can't fix it because he's not here.
All right. Anything else?
They're pretty sure even people who aren't here, all their levels are pushed, whether finished or not, so the programmers can start testing them. So that's really good.
Awesome.
And Art is, I told Art was wondering if they can make it outside the ship, like space background and stuff. So I said, yeah, go for it. Like, I'm still wondering if we're gonna do like a skybox while you're in the ship, or it'll just be for like the community.
Yeah, in Unreal there's like sky map, skybox kind of stuff. Somebody just needs to literally just Google it, look at it. It's super easy. So we'll put that on Art's list. I guess that'll be like 3D.
What do we need?
Sky map, skybox, space in the background. I assume it's going to be space in the background.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, Project Lead, definitely want you bouncing around today, talking to everybody individually, making sure everyone's on track. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. Tech person. Any issues?
Other than the jetpack breaking for some reason, even though it was working last class, but we can't fix it right now.
What's broken about it? It's just a model.
It doesn't, like, when you try and load in the pickup, it doesn't work. It's what?
Oh yeah, he's been working on that. He's been trying to fix that.
Oh, at home?
No, not at home. Like when he was here.
Oh.
He's been trying to fix that. But obviously, like I said.
Okay, but if you enable the jetpack manually, then the jetpack controls work.
Well, no, what he's been trying to do was like get it at first detect you picking it up. He made like a temporary icon, and
Yeah.
then like he made it floating and spinning and whatnot. But like he couldn't make it to where like if you go to it, it wouldn't register as pick up and it would disappear. That's what he's been
Oh,
trying.
you just delete the object.
That's really that's what he's been trying to do. And then he's also been trying to be like saying, okay, have it detect it's picking it up, and then give him a jetpack, push it
So it's in the works.
All right.
Let's put it that way.
What
So
other
it's-
functionalities being worked right now? You said you were going to start to connect the levels together.
Yeah, I'm doing that. I'm gonna do that today.
Oh, okay. What else? What else are programmers working on? What's he working on?
Keypad code. The last one didn't work, so we're making a new one.
What is that for?
For like you go to a door and then it's locked, so you need to find like the code for it to open it.
Okay. What are you working on?
I was waiting on the models for like the enemies to be properly loaded in, and so now that they do it, I can finally work on the AI for it.
Oh, them walking around and
Yeah, like
patrolling and
walking
stuff.
around, patrolling, chasing me down if they spot you.
Yeah. You want? So let's pick different levels to test that stuff in, so that there's no conflicts when. And then, well, so the problem is that if we edit the levels and save and push that stuff, which we cannot do, because then when the level designers modify their levels and try and push their stuff, there will be a conflict. So don't push the levels.
Just make a blank template.
Make your own level. Make your own
Yeah.
programming level that you work on. Nobody else touches.
Yeah, make my
Okay.
make my own blank template on that.
Well, it's the same thing for me. Is that when I'm like tying together the levels and
Yeah.
adding stuff like that, it'll be the same problem, which is
So you just don't work on that task when in class. Work on that because everyone's working on their levels in class.
it'll be the same problem if I do it at home. What will happen is if I make a change to the level, such as tying it to another level or changing the blueprint, and push that file to the GitHub server, if they edit their level geometry and try and push, there'll be a conflict, and the only way to resolve that conflict is to override my work.
Okay, so when someone's not working on a level, you can fetch and pull,
Yeah.
get the latest updates, work on their level, commit. Then when they go to work on their level again, if they do a fetch and pull, it's going to pull your changes. Then they can continue from where you left off.
Okay, so we just can't work on the level at the same time.
Correct.
Got it.
Okay. Yeah, so find another task or whatever. Or create some sort of a, you don't have to, you can create some sort of way that they all connect together that's like its own thing, and then just have those level designers like drop in some sort of a trigger or something,
Yeah, okay.
and then that connects to your thing. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't know how you're gonna do that, but that's one idea. Anyway, level designers, so they've pushed all their stuff. We need them to, level designers to keep working and
Level
working.
design lead has been absent for 2 classes.
Yes.
Yeah.
We need to see, like, start testing levels, like, ASAP. Do we have any, like, so let's fire up the game here. Is there anything I can, like, test in here yet? Is this room here, if I hit play, does something happen? Oh, God.
What have you done?
That's it.
Okay, that's cool. What's all this stuff here? Doors up in the sky. Okay. I assume this is like a test room. I see health. I see oxygen. That's cool. What's oxygen used for?
Some areas where there's some gas leakage and where you can't breathe in gas once you die.
So we're gonna. Oh, there's an enemy. Hello.
Oh yeah, that boss.
Whoever made level 3, you made your level geometry way bigger than the player. So you're like tiny man.
Uh,
So now.
It's a Counter-Strike map in the kids' room.
Yeah, we need to define like. That's interesting because when you hit play, you should literally see that. We need to define some like door heights
Yeah.
and like other sorts of like consistent things so the level designers can stay consistent. Hey, project lead, level design lead isn't here. Is that accurate?
Yeah, he has been gone for 2 days.
All right. Is he available over Discord?
I haven't tried.
Level design lead. Anybody know?
What's the name?
Project lead, put it on your list. It's going to be important that we define like door heights, ceiling heights, and other restrictions in the levels so that the level designers don't have the mistake that just happened, which was levels get made too
Tiny
big.
man.
Tiny man and this sorts of things. So put that on your list to identify those things, okay? That's cool. So other than just health and and oxygen. Do we have any other working functionality at the moment? Can I
Those
make-
numbers that are appearing on the left are the jetpack's temporary fuel counter, but I don't know why it starts at 0.
Okay, and jetpack doesn't work.
Well, it does if you have fuel. Like I saw him jetpack around earlier.
Is there a fuel pickup in here?
Maybe.
Maybe that thing?
I didn't think we were doing.
How do I make jetpack go? J?
I didn't think we were doing fuel.
I can look at the first person blueprint and see how it works.
Alright, well, somebody figure out whether we're using fuel, not fuel. Fuel, that needs to be figured out.
I wanted him to make the jetpack like a double jump, but he made it a jetpack like actual. So
That needs to be like locked down because flight can cause a lot of problems for level
Yeah.
designers. Remember when you fly up in the air, you see a lot more stuff.
yeah.
And that means
wow. When they added flying mounts.
that
they're
means
like,
a lot more
"Uh-oh."
stuff needs to be created. So definitely
Tap to enable it.
That's what it's on.
Can you set the fuel amount? At the
characters, people.
Yeah.
What are you guys working on? Do we have any other characters? You guys submitted the character, right?
Yeah, I submitted
Yes.
the enemy and the corpse,
Okay.
which was Joe.
Dog level has some
Jill,
of the doors
let's take a
where
look.
they're a little bit too high.
So I
where
see
you have
this
to
thing.
jump if you want to
It
go
should be in
over.
like content with Joe. Yeah, I see it right there.
So this thing's still busted.
Huh?
You don't have to pick up.
Which one's the right skeleton? This one?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, it's tab to enable jetpack. It works,
But
you don't
yeah,
need fuel.
It doesn't look like you can
Stop.
Okay, I'm gonna save this, okay?
trajectory in midair.
So I'm just gonna save all. Okay, what's the other character?
Jill, like it's under geometry.
Oh, no, I am barely.
You can
Hold
change
on a
that
minute.
in the
They need to tweak it.
yeah, you need to tweak it.
The skeleton should be
It's,
in
it's like
folder 2.
super fully.
Yeah, the skeleton is there.
It's not. I updated. Doesn't matter. I'm fixing it. Kind of annoying, but- So just y'all watch up here, character people. So all I did was double click on these, and it asked me for the skeleton, and I hit save all. All right, so now I'm just gonna close out of here. I'm gonna go into my content, enemy. These assets were updated. I'm just gonna right click on that. So I closed Unreal. I'm gonna go to Tortoise Git, or I'll do Git commit master. Actually, before you commit anything, you have to do a fetch and a pull, because someone might have updated in between when I did it last. Okay, so now I go over here, content, third person, anim, select these guys, Tortoise Git, or commit. Kura, what's the name of this fixed zombie?
The name of the model itself is Madar.
Maydar.
Yeah, like May as in May in the month and then DAR.
Got it. Alright, let's review what we got here. These guys. And I will switch this and I will do commit and push. And then it will push those changes. It's asking me for my username and password. Alright. Did that push? I guess that pushed.
Well, that didn't check.
Yeah, see if that checked.
I don't see it. Oh, wait. Yeah, I don't see it yet.
Yeah. I think I didn't put in the right password.
Mm.
I was gonna say, if you made a change, will our things go from
I
green
didn't
to
use
red?
I think what I can do is, so that failed. So this skeleton I can revert. So that failed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to push this. Just kind of like a force push. Failed because I put in the wrong username and password. And I believe I just put in the correct username and password. Alright. Yeah, go ahead and close Unreal and do an update. You should have the updated character and it should not have problems now.
Yeah, I see it now.
Cool.
Exclamation point there though.
What's that?
Like it was red for a minute, but
Fix now.
My cool patrol folder is red, and I've done like 3 fetch and pulls.
Revert.
this one is wrong on mine. The one you
Alright, so what's character working on now?
I'm not sure actually.
Okay.
We don't really see anything else that's needed.
Starter content?
Okay. We need character people to work on something. Maybe, do we have other background characters? Space people in the background? Other, like, maybe some animated props or something?
I'm just trying getting props in.
Huh?
Like it depends on what kind of props we need.
Yeah, so character people work on things that have skeletal meshes. So if there's a prop that needs to move, we need to put like bones in that and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Get with Art and see. If we have any background characters, we may need that. Do we have any vehicles? Like, maybe not vehicles that we like fly in, but like, you know, there's got to be something you guys can do.
Like
You,
ships.
you know what I mean?
We'll figure it out.
Yeah. Think on that. Think on that. Is there anything that Art is working on, 3D or 2D? Let's start with 3D. You guys give me any props, anything like that?
Do we need
As far as I'm aware, no, we're not working on anything 3D.
Okay.
2D, we're kind of a loading screen process, deck screen process, and main menu should be almost done. I am working on a design for the ship to put on the loading main menu.
Pause screen.
Do we have a pot?
Yeah, I have pause screen.
Pause screen's done.
Yeah.
Has those assets been broken out and given to the programmers?
I'm not sure. I'll have to contact Glass Effect.
Are there sprites done? Do they inventory?
Oh, how do you broken up the HUD?
HUD was broken out as of last time. Was that delivered to programmers?
Yeah, but I'm saying there's nothing here that's wrong apparently.
Revert. Close Unreal, revert.
Yeah, I wish I could.
Unreal's already closed.
Main menu, what's up with the main menu? Done and add more stuff to it, okay. What about the hover buttons? Hover buttons for main menu. What about the hovers for them? When you hover over them, they show something? Guys, just 2D, get together, figure this stuff out, okay? Please. Character guys have freed up, so if you need more people to do stuff, they are available. You hear me, Art? Okay. We really need to get something playable here, something that I can test. You know, let's open up some levels here. So levels, Christian's level, I don't know what that means. Dock level, level 3, main menu, new world, test blueprints, unfinished. Are these all the levels? Are there levels in any other places? Christian's level, let's test that one. Okay, let's give this a play. So I am playing Christian's level. This is cool. Has y'all seen this?
Yeah, looks good.
This is cool. This is starting to come kind of together a little bit. Who's Christian? Where's Christian at? Is Christian here?
Apparently not.
All right. Well, this is cool. This is like a start. Let's get some more stuff. Anybody know what this is supposed to be? Come in, walk in this door, come down here, and then got some stuff. It's cool. It works. Christian's doing a good job. Does anybody else, any other level designers in here have a dock level? Edgar? Dock level. Okay, here we go. Let's see, we got some walls and a door here. Some hallway stuff. This is pretty cool.
Still a little too big.
Sort of.
Yeah.
That's cool. He's got a door that moves. Look at that.
Yeah, that's one of the blueprints we have. Is the automatic door that opens when you approach.
Okay.
What about automatic closing?
This feels.
Yeah, it does that too.
It feels big. It feels cool. This is cool. Whose level's this? I mean, it feels good. You know, keep working.
Apparently also is this guy's level.
Got some steps in here. We're making progress. Some stuff up here. Looks like I'm watching a movie. Yeah, okay, I made that. That's awesome. Got some funny texture stuff going on here. Interesting level, okay. Level 3. Not sure who's working on this one. Those doors are massive.
Mm-hmm.
Is this the giant level? Whose level's this? Huh? Okay.
Your doors are too big.
Okay, this needs to be fixed. Obviously, right? I know you know that. You know what? The whole class knows that now.
They
So,
probably fit in like a hangar or something, like where all the spaceships are.
here's New World, which I fall through the floor. Test blueprints. How many levels do we have in this game?
One per level designer.
How many level designers do we have?
7.
1, 2, 3.
Main menu doesn't count.
We're missing some levels.
Yeah, well, the online person hasn't worked on any levels yet, and some of the people weren't here.
I mean, this
You're-
stuff
you're-
looks.
Oh, you're the online level designer?
This stuff looks beautiful. All we gotta do is put this stuff in the freaking game, y'all. In the freaking levels. So look, it already works. The programmers made the damn doors work. Just gotta put them in your level, okay? You hear me, level designers? We gotta get this stuff in, man.
The keypad inventory still needs work because it's a little funky.
Wait, who's Wonder Wheeler?
This looks good. Unfinished. Whose level's this? This looks really good. There's more stuff in here. Who is this person? The lead, level lead. Great. Do like him. He's got walls and doors. That's a start. Are we doing a crouch?
When crouch actually works, you can go through there.
Oh, so we have somebody working on a crouch functionality?
I thought it worked last time I checked, but then he had to.
Ain't working. Is crouch C?
Oh yeah, you have to
What's crouch tied to? What's crouch tied to?
C.
Didn't work. So that's cool. Awesome. We got one level that looks kind of cool. I mean, you know, we're getting there. That's cool. This is the sky map. That can be changed to space. Art. Art, you hear me? Sky map can be changed to space from clouds.
Get rid of the big light and just put small lights throughout the level since we're in space.
I was gonna say, is light us, or is that level
Yes.
design?
Yeah, light's gonna be you guys. I don't know how, but
Well, I think you can put the flashlight.
Lighting's really easy to do in Unreal Engine. You just have a bunch of light tools that you can place around.
I feel like we're missing levels here. World isn't anything. Unfinished is cool. Some of this naming though, like it'd be great to rename these levels to like stuff that like makes sense.
You can actually make sure who made it, you know?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, especially when I start tying them together, because I'm pretty sure I need to like attach the actual file, so having them named properly would help with that.
You can do that.
Yeah, so I'll probably sit down like tomorrow or the next day or sometime during spring break for like 10 hours and get a bunch of stuff working.
So you can just, to rename these, you just right click on them and you do rename, then you go to file, save all, close Unreal, and then you just commit. Okay. Guys, I want to see everybody in here working on something today. If you don't have anything to do, ask me or the project lead. We can find you something to do. Everyone needs to be contributing to this project.
Yeah, what do we need to do? Because I'm character.
I'll get with you guys here in a second. Let
Oh,
me-
yeah,